the cycling has begun, and Sunil Prabhu is also there. Sunil, so we can see opposition members, Rahul Gandhi also cycling.
If you can hear me, starting the march, cycling along with all other MPs here to make that political message that there is clearly there needs to be a rollback of fuel prices, petrol prices, and they are making that political impact. We are running along with him as he cycles to Parliament. This is, of course, as Rahul Gandhi himself said, to send a message to the government, to the opposition, that opposition parties are united, that they continue to believe in people's issues, and that this needs to be really brought up in a big way. Visuals of Rahul. This is something that the opposition has been able to do in terms of getting all political parties together to cycle to Parliament, a symbolic protest as they come to Parliament to say that, you know, the petrol and diesel at over 100 rupees, and that's the reason for why they're doing this.
All right, so you can see there a bit of a chaotic scene there outside of Constitution Club as opposition members are cycling to Parliament. So you have the media, you have the opposition MPs there on the cycles, the police also just jogging on that road. But the reason for this is to draw attention to rising fuel prices. The opposition wants to tell the government they're unhappy and they feel the pain of the common man, and that's why they're cycling to Parliament to draw attention to the issue of rising fuel prices. Now, the opposition members met this morning at the Constitution Club at a meeting called by Rahul Gandhi. 15 parties were in attendance, 18 had been invited, and they were to discuss the opposition strategy. Remember, Parliament, which began on the 19th of July, has been deadlocked from the start, with opposition parties outraged over.
Is making that point 834 points.
And listening to Sunil, who's also there in the crowd. Yes, Sunil.
This way. Yes, so Rahul Gandhi is leading with the cycle with 834 rupees as a point to send that message in that cycle along with other political parties. So it's in that context that they continue to protest, amongst others. He stopped here because they're trying to find a way forward. And how do you make that message a little bit of chaos here as they want to go to Parliament? How they will go about it is the big question. But that's the reason why they are going ahead with the way they do. There is a little bit of a mix-up here where they are not able to actually decide whether they go. In that context, that they continue to protest as they go to Parliament. The roads have been blocked and they're trying to find a way forward to go ahead and protest to political parties. Rahul Gandhi leading with cycles along with other political parties. And that's how this protest continues. He has a placard with Achetan 834 plus, so with an LPG cylinder. That's the kind of present as we see these things carry on.